Welcome to itdesk.tv. Welcome to itdesk.tv. Now, I was doing a program recently and I wanted to find out in the program itself what type of computer system that the user was using. And based on the system that they were using, I was going to make the program do certain things. I was trying to figure out which programming language would have been the best one to use, and after I analyzed them, I realized that Python is actually a pretty simple one and could get this feature done pretty easily. I'm going to show you today how it's done in just a few lines of code and how simple it can be. I'm going to go ahead and import a library called Platform that Python has. Alright, I'm going to create a function to get, I call this get system specs. Alright. Inside this function, now you could just use specs are equal to, and I put that in curly braces, and then I can use the specs instance and put a string here so I get the system, what the system is. It's equal to, and then I use the header platform.system and grab the system. I'm going to use the instance again, specs. I want to know what the release is. Right. And that's equal to same platform dot release. So if it's Windows 10, it's Windows 11, I want to see that so I can display it here. Specs again. This time I want the processor. Platform dot. You see, it's pretty simple. I can pull up whatever I want. And let's go with specs. Let's find out the architecture. Platform. So you get how simple this is. And then I'm just going to return specs. I'm going to create another function. I'm going to define it. Now that I have the specs, I'm going to create a function to display the specs that I've just collected from the machine. Alright, so this is how we do it. I'm going to define this, so I'm going to call it print system spec. I'm just going to call this specs here. That's the function. That's how you define the function, and then I put the values. So I'm going to put a loop for key value and specs that item. So I'm just going to go ahead and print the key F, yeah, open bracket, key, close, value. Okay, I think that should do it. So print F for the key should be a colon, close. Okay, that should do it. Now spec, let me call the function now. Equals to get system spec. Alright, and print I think that should do it. When I run this now, pretty much give me what I need. It's missing an argument. The argument that's missing, specs. Good, and there we go. This is a Windows 10 machine. It's an Intel 64-bit, the Family 6, the Model 140 Stepping 1. It's Intel 64-bit Windows, and that's what I got. Now I could have asked for more specs on the machine. For example, I could get the machine name, specs, say get the machine, equal platform, the machine. See, I could ask for could ask for the version of Python that I'm running as well. Python equal to platform Python version. I can run that and get more. So I know it's an AMD 64 machine, and the Python version is 3.12.0. This is how we use simple features to form the building blocks for bigger programs. So, like I said, I needed to find out what type of machine the user was using so that I could push them in a certain direction. Using code like this that's available in Python, I could achieve that. I could know if you're using a tablet, a desktop, if it's a Mac, and based on that, I let you see different things, or I can choose to display the program in a different way based on the equipment that you're using. It could be things of this nature, not could be, it is things of this nature that's being used, for example, to know if you're using a mobile phone, so the web page shows a little bit different and displays with a different layout, or if you're using a computer, a desktop, a tablet. It's concepts like these. ITDesk.tv, unlocking doors.